Introducing the new book by award-winning and best-selling author Merrick Rosenberg, Which Bird Are You? Are you the take charge, confident eagle?
Maybe the fun-loving, talkative parrot.
You could be the caring and helpful dove. Or maybe the logical and questioning owl. By day, 4 friends are put to the test at Camp Discovery. Each night as they sit by the campfire, they are transported to the ancient continent of Aviara. Will the eagle, parrot, dove, and owl kingdoms join forces against the invading vulturants? How will the wise Chameleon Ambassador help them discover the powers of the legendary birds so they can save the day? What would you do? Discover your own strengths by answering the question, which bird are you?